lagi.
Para pengelola kantor lulusan internasional atau dikenal sebagai International Office. Jadi kita mengundang para pengelola International Office itu yang ada di Konsorsium Perguruan Tinggi Negeri Kawasan Timur Indonesia. Nah, yang mau dilakukan dalam pertemuan ini adalah bagaimana caranya Universitas Indonesia Timur ini bersama-sama kerjasama untuk membangun kolaborasi atau kerjasama dengan pihak luar negeri, dan bagaimana caranya kita untuk menarik mahasiswa asing untuk datang ke universitas kita lebih banyak lagi. Nah, kan biasanya kalau orang asing kan memilihnya di Jawa, nah, karena ya dekat atau ada sesuatu yang istimewa. Seperti di Jogja kan ada apa namanya itu di Yogyakarta, kayak di Bali itu kan ada tempat-tempat spesial untuk wisata. Kalau Sulawesi Tengah misalnya kan kita promosinya kurang, jadi mahasiswa asing itu biasanya kok nggak ada yang diingat yang spesial. Nah, itu yang mau kita diskusikan. Kita harus sama-sama kerja untuk yang Indonesia Timur menguatkan kelembagaan internasional office itu untuk menginisiasi kerjasama dengan pihak luar negeri.
Bu, mungkin penekannya.
Pemeringkatan itu hanya menggunakan 4 parameter. Jadi pemeringkatan yang dikeluarkan oleh Dikti itu sudah berlangsung sejak tahun ini. Itu 4 parameter penilaiannya itu misalnya kualitas manajemennya, kualitas kegiatan mahasiswa, kualitas publikasi internasional, dan satu lagi itu kualitas sumber daya. Tapi nanti tahun depan itu sudah masuk kualitas dan jumlah kerjasama internasional dan nasional, kemudian kualitas dan jumlah mahasiswa asing. UNTAD baru ada 17 orang. Jadi kita harus tingkatkan ini supaya Universitas Tadulako juga naik. Itu harus kerjasama dengan sama perguruan tinggi yang ada di Indonesia Timur.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Rector of Tadulako University, His Excellency Professor Dr. Insinyur Muhammad Basir S.A.M.S., distinguished guests, speakers, participants, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the conference room of Media Center of Tadulako University for the opening ceremony of International Seminar and International Office Meeting due to the issue strengthening international collaboration at Eastern State Universities. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, now please help me welcome the Head of International Office of Tadulako University to deliver a report. Professor Insinyur Marsetio MSc, AG, PhD.
Guest speaker, Professor Franz Sudata and Dr. Anna Maitile, delegation from Consortium of State Universities and Private University participants, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let's pray and thanks to Allah SWT for giving us some mercy and blessings so we can gather together for our meeting today for Seminar and International Office meeting. International Office Tadulako University is pleased to host and organize seminar and meeting entitled Strengthening International Collaboration at Eastern State today on November 17, 2015. This seminar and IO meeting are to find new way experience in increasing international collaboration in academic or research method with institutions from the West. And the participation today is from delegation from Consortium of Eastern State University. Welcome to delegation from Asante University, from Mawulma University and Satya University, and some private university, and some participants from Europe, Mr. Radi, Master Student from Singapore University as well. Ladies and gentlemen, the speaker today for this webinar is Professor Pramudata from Nusa Tenggara University and Dr. Anna Megido from Georg August Universitas Göttingen, Denmark. This is the first time for Dr. Anna to come to Palu and welcome to Palu, a small city, but very beautiful. Professor Frank is very experienced because he has become rector for 2 periods in Udana. So we hope we get a lot of experience and information from him. And Dr. Anna has a lot of experience in conducting international research. And she is now conducting research at Jambi under the CRC 1990 project in collaboration with some university, including University, Jambi University, IPB, and Georg August University in Germany. Dr. Anna also has a lot of experience in conducting research with other institutions, mainly in Europe. Thank you for Professor Frank and Dr. Anna for contributing to the seminar and also for becoming a guest lecturer this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, in the afternoon we will propose to have an I/O meeting with our partner from Consortium of Eastern State University. As we know that under the Minister of Research, Technology and Higher Education, we have a new task and challenge, especially in engagement of international collaboration. All data-related collaboration, either domestic or international, must be registered and input in the data of DICTE electronically. So the DICTE will monitor our strength of collaboration and use this as parameter for assessment to make university ranks. This webinar and I meeting today to identify our potential to be promoted at global collaboration. In this moment, I would like to appreciate the support from Director for this program, so the program can be run well. I also appreciate the hard work done by staff at International Office to prepare this program. And finally, I wish that this webinar and I meeting are able to provide new spirit and energy for us to increase our collaboration with partner in the offices. Therefore, at this occasion, I invite Director to open the webinar officially. Thank you very much for attending this.
Distinguished guests, speakers, ladies and gentlemen, it is our honor to have Director of Tadulako University, His Excellency Professor Dr. Insinyur Muhammad Basir, SAMS, to deliver a speech, and afterwards we would like to request Director to officially open the international seminar and international office meeting.
Excellency, the invited speakers, Prof. Franz, my close friend since Prof. Franz is a rector Udana, and former members of the CRISU, Council of Directors, Indonesia State University. Welcome, Prof. Franz. Dear Dr. Anna, welcome to our university. Dr. Anna is a researcher, the member researchers among Tadulako, Jambi, Bogor Agriculture University, and Göttingen University in Project 990 effort in Jambi Place since 2012. Welcome, Dr. Anna. Dear Vice Rector, Director, Dean, Vice Dean, and Vice Directors, Head of Institute of Research, distinguished guests, participants, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning. It is my great pleasure as a rector and on behalf of my entire college to welcome you to this meeting on strengthening international collaboration, which is organized by the International Office Tadulako University. The speakers today will be Prof. Franz Umudata from Nusa Cendana University, and he is a former rector of University Nusa Cendana to period. Dr. Anna Neji from George August University of Göttingen, Germany, is one of the longest part of Tadulako University, where UNTAD has a strong relationship in research and academy. I believe both of the speakers today will share their knowledge and experience in developing international collaboration in the area of research and academic activities. I also welcome the delegation of Consortium of Eastern State University who participate in this seminar and will have time to discuss some issues about collaboration such as strategy to engage new partnership, maintaining of the existing partnership, and how to attract the international student. Ladies and gentlemen, on the State University Rectors meeting in Yogyakarta in September 2015, the Ministry of Information Technology and Higher Education has informed us that the National University Rank will be announced each year on the 7th of August. This year for 2015, the assessment of the rank cover 4 parameters which are the quality of human resources, the quality of management, quality of student activities, and quality of publication. However, the next year the parameter will be 6 because the number of quality of university collaboration, both national or international level, and the number of international students will be included in the assessment. This situation will be a challenge for us to work harder to initiate new collaboration, to maintain existing partnership, and attract international students to come and study in our university. Ladies and gentlemen, as a university that is located in the eastern part of Indonesia, we all understand the difficulties in promoting our university to the people or overseas institution. The geography in the lack of facilities and also human resources will become a challenge for building the cooperation. Sometimes the limitation of language proficiency can be a barrier too. However, the richness, natural diversity, and culture in the eastern part of Indonesia could be one of the strengths to promote. So I encourage all of us to work together to develop some strategies for promotion and university cooperation. Distinguished guests, participants, ladies and gentlemen, today's seminar is very special because those presenters have been highlighted, recognized. Their expertise and will present the main point of their mind with respect to national and international collaboration. I am very confident that this seminar will be very useful for all of us to think of how to make our university become a leading university in research in academic by having good partners to collaboration. Before I officially open this seminar, I would like to add some information. The CRISU, or Council of Directors of Indonesia State University, had already visited the Hokkaido University in Sapporo, Japan. Japan government actually tried to give us some information related to how to strengthen collaboration between the higher education institution and industry. So higher education institution become a source of new innovate, and then how the industry to taking some innovation from the higher education, university on academy, for example. In Indonesia, sometimes we call hilirisasi. The Ministry of Research and Technology and Higher Education moving from the Department of Education and Culture, they can try to closing the industrialization. Higher education institution is one source of innovation. So for the future, I believe that if all state universities, particularly in eastern of Indonesia, to strengthen collaboration, try to build cooperation and research and academic activity, for the future, our university become source for spirit and innovation. Finally, once again, I would like to welcome all of you, especially our invited guests. I hope you can enjoy the beauty of the city and have pleasant stay. And I'd like to say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The seminar officially open. The theme is strengthening international collaboration and cooperation